Hello, Bulldogs, and welcome to AV Tech's final activity for the year. It is called Minecraft. Everybody loves Minecraft. It is another 3D modeling program. Now, this time, what we're going to do, I don't know how much experience you have, but you do have some experience city planning now after Bulldogville and Bush 3.0. You're going to create a flat world in creative mode on Minecraft. You're going to use the inventory and all the different materials in there to build a realistic house in Minecraft with a thought-out floor plan. Open the attached rubric below to see what your house needs. When you're finished, take some screenshots and upload them here to the Google Classroom. So I'm going to open up the rubric. This is kind of what it looks like. You need to go ahead and build yourself a realistic house. Try to make it look like the house that you actually live in real life, not a little cabin house or log cabin. Your house should be furnished. You will have to build the furniture with blocks, although it does not have to be perfectly functioning. There are bonus points if you can make running water and stuff like that. Make sure your house has windows as opposed to torches. Remember, this is like a real house, not a Minecraft house. It should have the following: living room, kitchen, bathroom, at least a bedroom, dining room, well-designed floor plan layout, furniture built, front yard, backyard, some bonuses, a study, a dance studio, a garage. Use at least 5 different materials. Okay, this is the rubric I'll be using. I'm going to go ahead and close that for a moment. How do we get started, Mr. Wickwar? We come down here and we click on the link. Homecraft, Minecraft for Education. Once you get to this location, you're going to click Get Started. And after you click Get Started, you're going to click Download Now. Now, this is where it gets a little tricky. We are not going to click Download Now here. If you do, it's going to try to download it to your desktop. And at that point, you're going to need admin rights to install the program. You don't have admin rights, nor do I. So instead, we're going to click the Download the Windows Store version. So you're going to click on this little link right here, and you're going to click Open App Installer. And it's going to think for a moment. And once it opens, it's going to give you 2 options. It's going to say Install or Reinstall. If it says install, that means it's not on your machine yet. Please click install. If it says reinstall, you're good to go. Click launch and you're ready to begin. Okay, that is how you install the program. Now, if you are on a Chromebook at home or some other type of machine, you're going to click on Chromebook. And here you're going to click install and install the Minecraft for Education app. Okay, once it's installed, it should be in your My Apps in the Google Play area. Okay, if I click on My Apps, it should be located right here. Okay, if you have a Mac and you want to give it a try, I've not experimented with that much, but you can go ahead and try that as well. But for the most part, it's either Google Chrome or Windows Desktop. Once it is on the desktop, you will notice, let me close this for just a moment, you will notice that if you click on the Start window, it will be located right here. You recently added. Click on it, and it will open up. Once it loads in, it will quickly ask you to sign in, and then it will kind of overload that and say, let's get ready. You click on play. Once you have play, you're going to click create new, and not a template, but new. Once this opens, remember, we're not in survival mode, we're in creative mode. That was in the instructions. And we're going to be on a peaceful, easy feeling difficulty level. And then down here below, what type of world are we creating? In the instructions, it says flat. So we're creating flat. And then you would click on play. Now, once you click play, it's going to load and it's going to get you started. Now, depending upon how much you have practiced and how much experience you have in Minecraft, you can either get started right here or maybe you need some help. If you need help, I'm going to click escape and I'm going to click how to play. And here it tells you, if you click on controls, the controls you can do: WASD to move around, space to jump, press W twice, and so forth. If you need to know what inventory means, click on inventory. It shows you how to load your inventory. Or crafting, how do we get everything going there, and so forth. Okay. World builder, what do I do? Okay, so if you need all that information, it is here. Now, if you need additional information, you can hit escape again, save and exit, and you can click on view my worlds. Then you will see these little options, and one of the options is a Minecraft tutorial. If you click on the Minecraft tutorial, this is basically a game. And what you do is you go through and you follow the instructions that the Minecraft world is giving you. Okay? There will be small signs like this one. It says, can you get through the maze? I can't read that very well. Okay? But W tells you to move forward. Can you get through the maze? Try using the W or A or S or D keys to make your way through to the end. Okay, this is actually fun to do as well. So if you want to get some good practice on how to do things, this is a good place to start. Okay, so that's another thing that you can kind of do just to kind of practice. If you want to get a little feeling on how to move around the Minecraft world, this is an option. Okay, more tutorial moves. That is it. Have a good time using this little program. Remember that you're trying to build a home and you want that home to be lifelike, like yours, not a log cabin. Okay, not torches, but windows. Remember what we did in SketchUp and kind of carry it into the Minecraft world. Good luck, have fun, and happy building.